Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And well, look what we got in from Italy. More DBK parts and from Bondstormer, England, because our US dealerships can't get their shit together and all of these are back ordered from BMW according to everybody here in the US. But Bondstormer had it in their warehouse in about a day when they ordered it. So kudos again to Bondstormer for hooking me up with the windscreen as well as this thing. And that is the exhaust hanger that I'm going to put on the bike and get rid of the passenger pegs. I will not be riding any pillions on the back. So I want to remove the foot pegs, even though I did buy the DBK passenger pegs. It's okay. I'll keep them in the event if I ever go touring with my wife or anybody else. At least I'll have them. But I am going to remove them to clean up the bike a little bit and put this bad boy right there. So stay tuned for that. And the other thing is that you guys saw that I ordered the Hepco and Becker handguards. I'm actually going to go a different direction, and I'm going to go with the DBK Handguard Sliders that go here, and I will show you what they look like once I install them on the bike. But that is this product right here. There you go. There you have them. They're not cheap, but they're also designed very, very well, as all DBK stuff is. Lastly, I ordered this Telelever joint protection. It's also, steel, whatever, billet. And it goes right in here. So I'm going to disconnect those and then pop it up right in there, and that's where it's going to go in. So I'm going to mount these and show you guys what it looks like. Did I buy it because I think it's going to protect the Telelever? Maybe. Did I buy it because it's cool? Yeah. That's about it. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So here we have it. Installed the Telelever joint protection billet piece right here. Again, I didn't know what I was going to do without it. I was always worried about my Telelever getting damaged by a bug or something. But here you go. Look at that. So very subtle, but again, going for the blackout look. They come in different colors: red, gold, silver, red, blue, and black. Decided to go with black. I was almost thinking about doing a blue theme and going with the BMW blue that they make it in. It looks awesome on the trophies. So for those of you guys who have trophies, definitely look into getting the blue accents. So here are the handguards from DBK. So you'll see very minimalistic. Again, that theme that I'm going with. Super clean. Will protect if the bike slides and actually hits the plastic guards. I don't think they will because of the boxer engine. But boom, there you go. Not planning on laying it down, so hopefully I'll never have to use them and they'll just look good on the bike. So there's the right side and here is the left side. And then lastly, as you noticed, the exhaust hanger was just installed. That took about a minute and a half. And there you go. Look how clean it looks on this side now. If you don't ride pillion and never plan to, rip those passenger pegs off, clean up the back end of the bike, get this bracket. Bondstormer has them, or could get them very easily and quick in about a day on the UK, and then just have them shipped over. So there's that. This side, super clean. Let me go show you guys from the other side. There you go. Check it out. Nothing on this side sticking out. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Hit those like buttons, guys. The more people like it, the algorithm picks it up and sends it out to other folks that are interested in this kind of content. So it helps everybody out. Again, I don't get paid for any of this stuff. I just like showing you guys what's out there in terms of aftermarket parts for the BMW GSs that are probably a little bit different than what you guys are expected to see out there through the Touratechs, the SW Motechs, the Hepco and Beckers, Alt Riders, the typical stuff, right? DBK is getting into the market. They are Italian. They obviously specialize in Ducatis, and they make some of the best stuff out there. Hands down, some of the best quality around. Here's some other stuff. You saw the Telelever joints. So there you have it. All right, till next time.